So this is the box looks like. I already opened it. Some of it I use it now because I can't wait. I feel like you can use this as a blush and a bronzer at the same time as an eyeshadow. Oh my god. Yes, coconut. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's a time of the month again. Nabuksan natin yung IPSY bag natin. I got my IPSY bag for the month of July and I'm so excited kasi gusto ko yung bag niya. It feels like silicone-y. That's how it feels. It feels like silicone and I like the color. Alright, so the first product I have is this setting powder. It's called Banana Setting Powder. It looks like this. So it looks like this when you open it. It has some plastic pa dito, but I don't want to remove it now. To me, it looks like yellowish siya. And it says on the website na it's intended for color correcting, intended for any redness. I guess this is good if I have some breakout and then I have to cover up some pimple or acne scars. And also, since it's a color correcting, you can use, I think I can use this if I put tons of concealer under my eye right here. I can set this with this powder. Yeah, so I'm so excited. I don't think it has smell. Wala siyang smell, which is I like. And oh my god, I was wondering if IPSY's been watching my video. I'm just kidding, because I think I mentioned something about I was hunting for a powder that doesn't have a talc in it, because talc is not good for your skin. It will cause cancer in the future. All right, so the next product that that I got is the Verb. It's for a hair mask. It looks like this. I think it's been 6 months since I rebond my hair back in the Philippines. I have been hunting for a good hair mask too. The one that I'm using right now is just cream silk, and I use other stuff but not really like crazy about it. But I guess they send me a hair mask because it's summer and they want me to try this one, and they kind of know that I'm hunting for stuff. I don't know. Isn't it weird? I was hunting for a hair mask and maybe I should try this one. It's just too bad they sent me this small one. But of course, you know, I only paid $12.99 for my bag, so what do I expect, right? Hold on, let's open it. It smells so good. Alam mo yung feeling na you just get out from the salon and you've been pampered for that long? This is exactly what it smells like. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this one out. I don't know if I like Murad, or I don't know how you say it. I remember my sister used this one for her acne and it doesn't seem working that well. So I don't know about this, but I'm still gonna use this one for the sake that it has SPF 30 in it. Probably this one would work, but I don't know if I like Murad product. Never a fan. Normally, I would try a product for like a day or two, and I would observe if there's any breakouts or acne. I'm very sensitive. My skin is very sensitive. Even shampoo or conditioner or any hair mask, I have to test it out because my back acne is so bad. My facial and my chest acne was so bad before when I wasn't really paying attention to what the stuff that I have been putting on my skin or in my hair. I didn't know that everything that you put in your hair gives you acne or a pimple. So when I start changing a little bit, when I start changing things, like changing all my hair products, changing the way I wash my hair, the way I put my conditioner, and the way I take care of my hair, it helps my back acne really good. And then like my chest acne has been very like colossal changes, like a huge change. That's why I'm very particular with my hair mask. I'm very particular with the shampoo I use because it does something with my acne. This is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and it has some like little dots inside. It has that. I am so excited for this one. So we're gonna smell it. I expect that this is a melon smell. Oh my god, look. and it's not sticky. Oh my god, I am so excited to use this one. The last but not the least, the Radiant Glow Highlighter. Ooh, I like that one. It's very pigmented. Nice. It's so smooth and it's so flawless. Flawless. That's a term. Flawless. Alright guys, so that's all for my IPSY bag. So far so good. So far I love everything that they sent to me. I feel like everything that they sent to me is I'm gonna use it. I feel like it's rational for now. I don't know how long. That parang siguro, maybe because this is my 3rd month. Maybe because bago lang ako. Maybe in the future I will think about modifying again my preferences on what I want to receive. So far I love it. I can't wait to try this one out. Alright guys, so the next product that I'm about to share to you is still IPSY, but it's a little bit bigger box this time because I thought that since it's my birth month, so I went a little bit extra for my beauty products to play. I thought of only paying $59.99 instead of $376.22. I got really excited. The name of this box is Sunkissed Summer Set. I love the summer season and I'm really indulging myself for the summer products. Anything summer. I know that it won't stick around that long, but hey, it is what it is. So this is the box looks like. I already opened it. Some of it I use it now because I can't wait. So when you open it like that, it has this hologram paper or IPSY paper like this. And when you open it, there's some chuba chuchu in there, like that. Like I said, when I met IPSY, I was really excited about getting a surprise in my mail every month, and I feel like this just like excites me every time. I know it's just a little thing, but you know, I like the feeling of like having a surprise in your mail and you don't even know it. Although when I bought this box, there's always there's a descriptions of what's inside the box, so I kind of like read, just kind of like browse through it. I didn't really like read what's inside in it because I want to surprise myself, because that's the thought of getting this box. Okay, so there's a bunch of product here, so I think we should start, or else this video is gonna take like 3 hours. Alright, so the first thing I got is this brush right here. I'm so excited. It's so soft. It's just like my hair is not soft. Oh my god. It's very, very soft. Let's see. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I feel like lately I have been getting like hair products. It's probably because it's summer, I think, but I am so excited to use this one. It's from the brand Saint Tropica. It looks like this. It says here triple use tube, so in one tube I can use it 3 times, which is good. I can't wait to try this one. I feel like I have more hair products now. I used to go to Canada just to get like Philippine hair mask or Philippine shampoo like Palmolive or Cream Silk. But now that it's COVID time, I don't think I can go to Canada get my Cream Silk. From the brand mykitsch.com. I'm not sure how to say that. But in the website it says it's $12, so it's not bad. This is so pretty. Look, I can wear this hair clip right here. I am so excited for that one. Alright, so the next product is, again, brushes. There. It's called MOTD Cosmetics. And I have like 5 kinds of brushes. So the next product is this, send me this Pina Colada, kind of like a lip scrub thing. So when I saw this, I was really excited because like my lips is so chapped, like it's so dry, and it's so kunot, you know what I'm saying? There's like a real sugar in it. The mascara is a Ruler Lash mascara from Benefit. This right here. Oh my god, so the other day I went to Target to look for like a new mascara because I think Aunt Plutz tried the Maybelline, I'm not sure. Maybelline came out with a new mascara and I was really tempted. I was this close to get that mascara. But then again, I don't really use mascara at work, and then when I'm making video, I use false lashes like this one right here, and it worked pretty good. I don't have lashes anyway. The second favorite item that I got in this box, I got a sunscreen. Lately, I have been enjoying sunscreen. I don't go out in my apartment without having a sunscreen on my face because I have learned in a hard way. You see this little spot on my nose, like in my big nose? There's a spot right there that I got for being careless, going out, not having a sunscreen in my face, and that's a lesson learned. I went to the dermatologist and there's nothing they can do about it but to have it laser. And I'm not paying laser for that one. Like, actually my favorite sunscreen is the Olay, but this one I might stick with it one because it has some good stuff like a vitamins, sage leaf, or green tea. At first it gives you like that white effect, but then like in time mawawala siya. So I really like it, and it smells amazing. It doesn't smell like sunscreeny. So the next one is, they sent me this bag, kind of like, I assume that it's my shade if I have like a sunglasses bag. Okay, so am I the only girl that no matter how many hair ties I've got, I end up with nothing? Am I the only one like that? Or girls can never have enough hair ties, you know, especially if you're a girl like me that I have a long hair. You need all these goodies. This one right here, it's so cute. You can just, you know, put it in your thing and put in your wrist. So sometimes over time, this one would like mudako siya, yung mudako siya. And I think my husband told me that just put in a hot water and it will shrink and it will go back to its original, I guess, size. It's a hair texturizing. Self-tanning spray for your face that you can build up like every day. I believe this is a primer, and it says here, Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Let it set for 15 seconds so you don't have to wait longer before you put your foundation or powder foundations on. So I really like that. It's kind of like go-to or yung nagmamadali ka look or something like that. So I'm so excited, and so far I really like it. It's not tacky sa skin ko, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. This is the highlighter I used today. Ofra Highlighter Rodeo Drive. It looks like this. The good thing about this is it's not flaky at all. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Look. It's so nice. This is the only highlighter I got that you can blend it. You know how you have a highlighter, you put it on like over your cheekbone, like right here, and it's just sit there like a zebra stripe, and you can't even blend it. This one is just super blendable, and I feel like if you put too much, just like dab a little bit of your clean hand, and it will transfer to your hand and minimal to your face. The thing I liked about it, it's so good. This is not something that I would probably buy if it's not from this box, because there's no way I would buy $35 of highlighter, because I don't use highlighter a lot. Just very minimal. I am so in love with it. It sticks to my skin, and the color is just, I feel like it's just a natural glow to my face. This is so good. I love gold, and this is a gold earring. It has that color like a rainbow stones in it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Alright, so the last thing but not the least is from the brand Morphe. It's called the Blushing Babes Pop of Peach. Talk Flirty. I feel like you can use this as a blush and a bronzer at the same time as an eyeshadow. So this is a perfect, I really like this one. That's a lot of stuff for $59.99. And instead of paying $376.22. So I feel I feel good about that, because instead of paying that much, I only pay $59.99. and yeah, so I'm looking forward for my next I think IPSY box. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you are doing well and you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.